Very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all fine and safe. Today I am going to explain portions minimized in first language English for 2020-21. Due to corona effect, we had this problem. Along with this, we should have to develop some of the skills. The first one is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. As they decided to minimize the syllabus, so they told us to develop listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, and writing skill. Along with their sub skills, we should have to develop in students by using the content which is used in the textbooks. Equally important is developing students' vocabulary and grammar. As you noticed, vocabulary and grammar that we have to teach students, right? Vocabulary while teaching we are going to develop. Along with this, grammar we have to take separately. Some of the chapters which is discussed after the lesson. We have to see all these things in the prescribed textbooks. We should not neglect these things while teaching. As we cannot make much compromise with the syllabus, none of the skills and related competencies can be neglected in any grade. They noticed, they told us, none of the skills. We should not neglect any skills which is related to teach grammar, even vocabulary or LSW. So it has to be included while teaching. However, the content load is reduced depending on the number of days or hours available for transacting the content. So, while teaching, we have to focus content. If we want to teach all these content and number of days are very less. That's why they reduced the load depending on the number of days or hours is available for teaching. Let us see, considering the above aspects of uh, the following changes are to be noted. The first one, number of teaching periods as per the syllabus is taken actually 200. 200 periods we need to teach whole syllabus, and the portions are completed by February. As we noticed in last year also, we need 200 periods to teach whole syllabus. Along with this, we have to focus when to complete all this. They told us it has to be completed by February, and March and April is not considered for teaching calculation. March and February is used for recapitulation what we have learned already, right? Second one, since the working days are reduced to 120 days, so even days are counted, right? And we had only 120 days. Within these days, we have to complete all. And they came to the decision a few prose, look at the word they used, a few prose, poetry, and supplementary units are deleted, which require more number of teaching periods. They focused teaching periods is very short, right? So teaching periods are very short. That's why they focus to decrease all these periods. That's why they made it as 120 days. So a few pros. So which are those pros? Even supplementary or poetry. Let us see next. As the number of days is reduced for this academic year, the teaching periods for each unit are also reduced accordingly. The units that are deleted for this academic year 2020-21 should not be considered while preparing the question paper for board examination and CC activities. That you know, right? Due to time constraint, some exercises and activities that are simple and repetitive are recommended for home assignment under guidance of the teacher. What they are focusing is, third one is working days is reduced for this academic year. We don't have much time. The teaching periods for each unit are also reduced accordingly. As working days are reduced, the same way teaching periods also. The units that are deleted for this academic year 2020-21 should not be considered while preparing the question paper for board examination and CC activities. Which are the things deleted? Those things are not used for this examination board while preparing the question paper. Due to time constraint, some exercises and activities that are simple and repetitive are recommended for home assignment under the guidance of the teacher. Some of the exercises that are very simple and repetitive. That's why we can do all these things by giving home assignment under the guidance of the teacher. And sixth one, units deleted. So which are the units are deleted? Let us see. Pros number 8, we have lesson. Village cricket match. Village cricket match is deleted and no need to read. Don't want to focus on this, right? Then second, poem number 6, sonnet 73. Don't want to focus, which is written by William Shakespeare, right? Poem number 8, Mending Wall. Mending Wall is written by Robert Frost. No need to discuss, no need to read. Then, supplementary reading. When we come to supplementary reading, Treasure Island, it's very lengthy lesson. We should not focus on this lesson. We can leave this lesson now in this academic year. Don't want to focus on these things, right? Then, seventh one, the teaching periods allotted for each unit may vary according to the need. Last, eighth one, teachers can also share study material and links for online resources with the students in order to encourage self-study and reference skill among students. I hope that you are doing the same thing, right? We are sending some of the materials which is related to teaching and some of the notes through PDF, right? That you are studying at home, right? Next, let us move to next page. Next page, we have chapters. Totally, we have 23 chapters, 23 units. In these 23 units, they have deleted 4 units, right? Let us see what are the changes they did. Yes, come to next page. Here we have prose and poetry, supplementary reader also, and number of periods, periods minimized, available number of periods for teaching. Then content or learning points minimized and justification for minimizing. I hope you understood. Here first one, a wrong man in workers paradise. Actually we need 12 periods for teaching, but now minimized 5 periods and we have only 7 periods. Within 7 periods, we have to teach a wrong man in workers' paradise. At the same time, they focus on content or learning points minimized. Which are the points minimized they have given here? When you open the textbook, when you see that particular chapter, you can notice first one. Here you can focus first one, Roman number 5. Language activities. Under Roman number 5, language activities, we have dictionary work A and B, and the second one, grammar revisited D. Only D, not all. Okay. No need to focus, no need to study under language activities which are dictionary work A and B and grammar revisited only D. You can delete. You can no need to study. Okay. Then we have very easy lesson. It's very easy. There are revision works. Therefore, could be given as home assignment. It's very easy lesson. No need to tense. Then second, the elixir of life, we have 12 and 3 is reduced and we have only 9 periods for teaching. Here also language activities B and C is neglected or deleted. And Roman number 10, we have grammar revisited. No need to focus on this. Then justification. What is the justification? Simple concept. Which are simple concept? The concept which is minimized. Those things are very simple concept. That's why they left. Then extended activities could be given as home assignment. We can give all these things as home assignment. So we can study all this or we can learn all this with a very simple way. That's why they deleted these things. Next, we have fourth one, the gift of Magi. There are 11 periods. That 11 periods they minimized 2 periods and we have only 9 periods for teaching. Then the same chapter, we don't want to focus on language activities which are C, D and E. When you open your textbook, you'll come to know what it is actually. Extended activities could be given as home assignment. See, these activities we can give as homework. That's why they deleted these things. Next, we have fourth lesson, Louis Pasteur. Actually, we have 12 periods. 3 periods is minimized and 9 periods is available for teaching. Next, so under language activities, we should have to delete C and D. Then extended activities could be given as home assignment and too many are there. Few could be practice at home. So these things we can practice at home. That's why no need to do these things in the class or while teaching, right? So then speaking activities B and C. This one also you can see at home. You can focus. Next, what is moral action? There are 12 periods, 3 periods is minimized and 9 periods is available for teaching. Then 9th, grammar revisited. Grammar revisited C and D you can do at home. Then language for fun. This one also you can do at home. That's why they not given focus on these things. Next, prose. Prose, the eyes are not here. Actually, we have 12, 3 is minimized and 9 is available for teaching. Then vocabulary exercise like A and B, you can do at home as home assignment. Next page, we have 8th one. The girl who was Anne Frank. Here also 12, 3 is minimized, 9 is available. Then speaking activities like A and B, C is deleted. Oral work. Repeated formal reporting can be omitted. So these things are repeated. That's why they should not focus. Next, a village cricket match. Here also 15 periods we need to teach this lesson. That's why they deleted this lesson. The lesson is deleted, right? Concepts and situations in the lesson are familiar. So in the lesson, concepts and situations, these two things are very similar. That's why they deleted this lesson from the textbook. I mean, lesson is there, no need to study for this academic year, right? Next, we have consumerist culture. Here also 12 periods, 3 is reduced and 9 periods is available for teaching. Under this, vocabulary C, D, E, F, you can focus at home. Then, where language activities Group discussion deleted. Simple can be deleted. Next, the pie and the tart. Lesson retained. Retained in the sense lesson is kept for teaching. We have 12 periods, 3 periods is reduced and 9 periods is available for teaching. And we should not neglect any things like earlier they have given under language activities. Here they didn't give anything. The lesson is retained for teaching. Whatever exercise is used in the lesson, we have to focus, we have to study. Then to a pair of sunscreen. Here also the same thing until a poison tree, right? Then when we come to sonnet 73 required 7 periods. That's why poem is deleted. Needs higher order of thinking, theme of last stanzas of life and death. So, while teaching this lesson, we have to give more focus and we need a higher order of thinking to understand the theme of the poem, stages of life and death. That's why the poem is deleted. Don't want to focus for this academic year. No need to study. Then the stolen boat is retained. So this poem is given for studies. The reduced number of teaching periods will not affect the desired learning outcome. So here we should not focus. So we should not focus activities earlier what they have given here. No need to delete or no need to kept aside for teaching or learning. We can study all these things under the poems. You don't have any activities, that's why the poem is retained for study. Then mending wall, as I told you earlier, deleted. It's very lengthy and also familiar theme that you have learned very ninth standard. The poem Road Not Taken, which is written by Robert Frost. The same familiar theme is used in this poem also. That's why they deleted this poem. Next, we have Bhutto retained for study. You have to study. CLM also you have to study. Treasure Island is deleted because of lengthy and extended reading. Since 2 lessons are allotted for first sem, the lesson is deleted. So this lesson is deleted. We have only 2 lessons from supplement reader. So which are those lessons? Karna and Ulysses and the Cyclops. These two supplement reader for study. So this is about our syllabus. I hope that you understood. If you have doubt, ask me. Let me give solution for this. Thank you.